Hey guys, this is the Bose Solo 5 soundbar. This is my new Bose TV speaker. I'm very excited. I waited 10 days for this to come and it's finally here. Let's unbox it.
A man walks out of his apartment. It is raining, he's got no umbrella.
Okay, wait a second. Okay, so it's a nice hefty box. Okay, so we have this here. The good news is it's not very big. But you get a small remote now versus the big one I had for the Solo 5. You have a little startup manual guide. You have what I would imagine is the power cord, and you have another power cord depending. I don't know, they give you two power cords for some reason. And we also get a third power cord, it seems. Okay, 3 power cords and 1 audio cable. Okay, so I'm gonna just sit here now and unwrap this. Okay, wow, I like the fact that it has that lush look of the more expensive soundbars. So it looks like that soundbar 300, 500, 700, whatever you call. Okay, so it will be, this side would face the, I think the audio cable, I'll still use the same one. In this video, I will be comparing this as first impression goes, as far as first impression goes. Like, I will be comparing how this sounds versus the old guy, which is Solo 5. Okay. So I have taken out the power cable now. 3 power cables, I don't understand why they're given 3 power cables. Please don't tell me it uses 2 power cables at once. Okay, so there's an HDMI port on the back. There is an audio in port. There is a USB port, which I would imagine is not for sound playback, and over to this side you have nicely jacked in. You have the here's a close up for it for you guys in case you're wondering. So you have this HDMI port, you have the power port right there, you have a USB port, and you have an audio in port. So let me just see if this fits. Okay, easy enough. And the other end I will put in to a power outlet. Okay. I hate causing a mess, but I excel at it. So, a quick update about the Solo 5. So I've had my Solo 5 for about 18 months now, and frankly, ever since day one, I've always thought it's kind of underpowered. When the Solo 5 was introduced, it was for 22,500 bucks. When the TV speaker was introduced, it was for 30,000 rupees. So this is Bose's entry level or new entry level Bose speaker. Whatever reviews I have seen are pretty good. So I hope I like this product. I'm sure I don't have to, I'm sure it has the battery inside. Why would Bose send me a product with such a strange battery? Now, the first test I'm gonna do is, okay. Oh, this works with both the Solo 5 and this also. So, which means that Solo 5 is also compatible, forward compatible with the, okay, so now it's, let me reverse the camera. So this is the remote which comes with the Bose TV speaker. You have a mute button, bass, Bose. This is probably for the source, and this is probably for something, I don't know, volume up and down. Very flush and not likable. And look at this, man. So that's a Solo 5 and this is the new TV speaker. Okay, so let's just have a sound. Let's have a sound comparison, shall we? Let me get my iPhone and let's get this started. Okay, so as you can see, I'm absolutely crazy about my devices. And we see Bose TV Speaker. Of course, I put it in pairing mode. What I'm gonna first do is, I know this is a sound bar meant to fix with my TV, but I'm just gonna see what the sound sounds like because, hey, we're doing a video. I wonder if this connects with the Bose Music app. I mean, oh no, it does not, it seems, because this doesn't have the option for the TV speaker. Okay, no problem. I'll live. I don't like this app that much. But yeah, it would have been helpful to update it, I guess. So you have the option of soundbar 300. By the way, I'm very excited about the QC45, which is coming out soon. Probably will get that. Okay, let's start with the Solo 5 first. It's one of my favorite songs. The Bose Solo 5 is a 5-on-5 speaker when it comes to playing music from your phone. It really cranks it up nicely, and this wide sound birth and sound signature really gives soundbars a nice delicate touch. And is it room filling? No. I used this once for a party and it was just not satisfactory. I think you have to be very careful when picking a party speaker. So one of my problems with the Solo 5 and why I'm changing it is because, like I told you guys, the sound was not very loud in case of the Solo 5. Sometimes I had to crank it up at 100% volume. I don't think I will face that issue with the TV speaker. Definitely it has 25% more loudness on first impression versus the Solo 5. And this is a good thing because it doesn't cost an arm and a leg like some other sound bars. So I'm happy for it. Now, real life testing will happen once I end this video. This was a quick unboxing for the Bose TV speaker. I'm really excited because obviously nobody wants to switch on subtitles while they're watching Netflix, me least of all. But for the Solo 5, I often had to do that, or I had to wear my Bose headphones and then watch. I hope I don't have to do that anymore, and I hope this suffices. Of course, for things like Indian films, I think Solo 5 is okay. You cannot make out or tell the dialogues. But for English films, I do have a problem when I use the Solo 5. I hope the TV speaker is able to get rid of that issue. If you watch shows with subtitles on in any case, I think Bose Solo 5 is your guy. Really good deals on it right now. It's an excellent sound speaker also for music. On first impression, I don't know about the TV speaker. Please wait for an in-depth review. I might do another comparison video in due course. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching.